student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua, assistant teacher of arts and crafts at National Innovation School morning shift. Today I am going to take a class 4, and today's topic is a jug and glass without color, and this one is your HW number 1. That means the first HW. Some of you you sent us from the last class HW that was not your HW. So remember that when I mention here that no, that means you won't send your HW. So look at the screen. First give a circle. Okay. First give a circle and then use two curved line, and here also. Okay, after that here give the line and this, and then give here a this type of line and erase this line. A jug has always a handle, and you will give the handle like this. Okay, if you want you can give here some decoration or not, no need. Okay, though here mentioned that a jug and glass, so you must draw the glass. Okay, now I will show you how to draw a glass. Just give here a oval and draw here a glass and erase these lines. Okay, and if you want you can sketch it by your pencil. Okay, but not mandatory. This one is not mandatory. If you want, only drawing is very important. So most of the student do this type of wrong. I will show you now. First draw a jug like this. Everyone draw a jug. No problem, drawing is not wrong, but when you draw a glass draw here. That means where is the glass? Okay, it looks like that glass is attached with jug. Okay, you must remember and look this very carefully or attentively. Glass surface must be touched at the floor. That means you must draw a glass far from the jug. Okay, this one is very important. And look at this distance. Which is the distance? This one is the distance. Okay, this one is your HW number 1. That means your first HW of 2021 at art class. Send it at every Saturday 9 AM to 1 PM. No more today. Thank you.